In this video I will show you how to launch ads the right way, even if you are retarded and you have no clue what you are doing. At first I didn't have any clue either, but this store I've had a new pixel, a new product, new ads, everything new. This was the first testing day with 700 euros, and on the third day we've made 6,000 euros in sale, and over these 4 days we've made 19,000 euros with this exact ad strategy I'm gonna show you right now. And I will show you how we've made that ad, how we made the research and everything. So stay till the end of the video. It will be definitely worth it and you will learn more than in 13 years of school. Okay, I will now show you the first step, what is really important if you want to start to scale your ads really fast. It is customer research. Customer research is to get your customer. Why does your customer want this product? How old is your customer? What gender does your customer have? Is he both genders? Is he diverse? What are his main pain points if it solves the problem, and what did he try before it solved the problem? Like when it's a skincare routine, what skincare products did he try before, and much more. So you can put 100 different things in there. It doesn't care. You won't find enough ever, because you have to know the customer better than he knows it himself. So you have to know when he gets up, what is his routine, what is his goal in life. You have to know everything. So if you want to know like a bit detail what you have to look, go to ChatGPT and tell him, give me the main things for customer research, give me like 10 different things, and he will give you that. And then after that, say, give me 20 different things. Okay. How to do a good customer research. So the best ways to do customer research is in TikTok comments and Instagram comments and Facebook comments as well. Competitor websites, like big competitors who spend a lot of money on customer research. When you're in the Facebook ad manager and you go on their ads, a lot of videos are going to funnels. What are funnels? Funnels are not the main product page, but the page where the product is explained, and there you can find a lot of pain points and a lot of things. This company has invested a lot of money, so go on there and you will find 30-50 different things. Even the reviews, like 90% of the reviews on e-commerce sites are fake, because they know what to write in the reviews. They know that you have to write something in the reviews, so the people who want to buy read this and think, oh, I need this. Then go on Facebook communities, look up Facebook posts, go on the Facebook ad manager. Facebook in general is very, very important, and you will learn a lot of things about the customer and how the customer thinks. And communities as well, like little websites. If it's a dog product, go on dog forums and you will find a lot of people, interact with people. It could probably take a while, but invest 1 week in it and it will definitely be worth it, because you will make a lot of money out of it. And then ChatGPT, you can go to ChatGPT and ask to him what are the main pain points of this and this person. Or you can get Amazon reviews and give ChatGPT 10 Amazon reviews and tell ChatGPT data analyst app, and then you give them 10 Amazon reviews and ask them what you can learn out of these reviews, and do a big note thing, do a big Notion where you write everything, do a big Miro board like I'm using at this moment, and you will learn a lot of things. Okay, how to fasten up this process? Like I told you, use ChatGPT for everything. I use ChatGPT for everything, from building the stores to funny jokes at the dinner table. Use ChatGPT for everything in your life, and especially for e-commerce. It is definitely worth it. For example, here are 10 Amazon reviews, tell me the main pain points, or what do you know about the customer of? And there is much more. If you want a video about how to use ChatGPT the right way, tell me. Now we will come to the most important thing of the video. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on anything. There will come a lot of new things, and use the first link in the description to sign up your new Shopify store. This is 3 months instead of 1 month for only €1. It's very important. It's a really big game changer when you want to test new products. And now we will come to the cool part of the video, the part everyone is waiting for. Not the boring work anymore, not the boring customer research. We will go to the cool part. What you should have now. You should have 4 different marketing angles, because you know a lot about the customer. So you have to have 4 different marketing angles after that. And you have to be aware in this market, so you have to know what's about in the market, and just like the simple things, because we now come to the ads. Yes sir. And for the ads we will have 4 different badges. What are 4 different badges? Like I told you, the marketing angles. One marketing angle, one marketing angle, one marketing angle, and another marketing angle. I think you understand. And for every marketing angle, we will make 1 or 2 ads. And why do we have four different videos per batch? Because you will change the hook. The hook is the thing that will keep the person on the video, and you will change that for like either for all 3 types or 2 different hooks. You can look how you want it, but if you do it like that, you can't lose money. So if you lose money like that, you're very dumb. Then you go on Facebook or TikTok ad manager and you create a campaign. You create a CBO, so campaign budget optimization. So the money is going to split over the campaign, and you start with €50 ad budget for everything. Don't start with much more, even if you have much more money. $50 a day is the best thing you can do. And then, especially on TikTok, be fast. If you see an ad performs, then scale it up. So then you go to an ABO and you just like put a lot of money on this batch. So you see you have this CBO and your first batch works, you do an ABO with it, and then you scale it up very fast. And if you see one ad works especially, then you do an ad group with only this one ad and you scale it up very fast. So double the amount and more. So we've scaled from €50 ad daily ad budget to €2,000 or €1,500 daily ad budget on the store I showed you. So the main thing for ads is be fast, scale fast. It's not for Facebook, but for TikTok you have to be fast, but for Facebook you have to be like old people. You have to be fast, but the old-fashioned way, if you understand. But give the pixel 2 to 4 days time if you don't have the perfect product or a specific product, and then just scale, just do your scaling thing. If you want to know, I have a whole video about scaling, just write it in the comments below. And yes, this is the only thing I can tell you. This is scale to the universe, so you can't scale enough. Scaling is the most important thing of e-commerce. Don't be scared to lose money. Scale so hard that PayPal hates you. This was this video. I hope you liked this video. See you in the next one.